Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Okay, here is part 2 for transcription tips. I opened up Google Docs and created a new doc, and I pasted the transcript that I got from my own video into the Google Docs, and now I'm ready to go through and edit the transcription. So here we have is, I don't know if you can see this, but I need to put a capital letter at the beginning of a sentence. Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? And I'm using this in a different way. I want SEE. I'm going to put that in quotes and capitalize that because that's a sea cruise. And then I use a question mark. Put a capital letter on the H. Okay. Now this says it is, and I'm quite sure I said it's. And a capital on sister. And then let's take out the E. And then I remember I said that's. As sister. Now this is spelled out underscore. Instead, I'm going to put the underscore. Yes, and it says YOU instead of capital. There, the letter U. Sister S U. Not F U. And to go through like that. One important thing to do is you want to make sure you put the link to the YouTube that you are subscribing so you can find it easily. And go back. Now, something you can do is, so you want to take a break, highlight where you left off. So take that, we're going to highlight in yellow or green, there. And then you'll be able to see very quickly, oh, I left off there, and you can come back in and do that. So I hope this is useful to you and will help you do some transcription too. So that is the next stage in transcribing a video, is to paste the transcript into a Google Doc or a Word document, and then just go through and change the edit your transcript. Have a great day. Remember to pray, because things do change that way.